nag-start ako from nothing. Training, hindi siya parang basta-basta lang. Other than I love what I do, I find joy in what I do, kailangan mabalanse namin yung pag-aaral namin. Cum laude standing pa ako, if you have a dream, all you need is hard work. Hindi siya imposible. Iba yung mahirap sa imposible. Yung Nokia Asha, I'm really enjoying it. Easy to use. Yung Facebook post agad. Lahat nung kailangan. We continue to inspire. Hindi lang sa performance. Yun yung legacy ko.
Power is inspiring others to do the extraordinary. That's why Nokia Asha 501 believes in Lian Gaudens Meligrito. Nokia Asha 501 invites you to share your standout stories.